Bago magsimula ang video na ito, sana mag-subscribe kayo at follow sa aking channel, Breeder Adventures TV, para sa mga latest news at issue na nangyayari sa bansang Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po. Isang issue na naman ang ating babalikan, kung saan nagalit si Senator Raffy Tulfo sa mga tiwaling pulis sa loob ng Senado.
As a bird, but as far as the Senate is concerned, his contempt order is still in effect. So we will have to take custody, physical custody over Sergeant Mayo. Sabihan mo yung boss mo sa BGMP na huwag niyong i-release yan kapag may order na yung korte na dismiss yung kaso. Call up Sergeant at Arms at kukunin namin yan.
Inimbitahan ang mga ito kasunod ng mga reklamo at pagtuturo ng mga biktima na sila ang diumano nangikil at tumakot sa mga biktima. Hindi naman nagdalawang isip si Senator Raffy Tulfo na gisahin at usisain ang mga pulis dahil naniniwala siyang may magik-magik na namang nagagawa sa loob ng himpilan ng mga ito. Hindi niya tinantanan ang mga ito at lalo siyang nagalit ng hindi nagsasalita at nagpapaliwanag ng maayos ang mga pulis na ito. Halika at panoorin ang video.
Yeah, you can do it. We can do it.
Kasi plain and simple, Your Honor, siya mismo nagsabi from his own mouth na siya yung nag-refer kay Ibanez sa PIDEG. So therefore, lahat ng galaw ng bata niya, alam niya. And he must, and he should know. Alam niya. At yet, nagmamaang-maangan po siya dito sa atin ngayon. Niloloko niya po itong committee na ito. Ginagawa niya pong bobo ang committee na ito by saying na hindi niya alam ang galaw ng mga bata niya. Of course, this Sergeant Mayo will not do anything na hindi alam ng boss niya. And also, yung ganong kalaking kadami ng shabu na 990 kilos, hindi niya makakamkam yan, mabubuo on his own kung walang basbas ng nakakataas sa kanya. At sino po yung nakakataas sa kanya? Colonel Ibanez. And this gentleman now is lying through his teeth and he's making a fool out of us. So therefore, may I suggest, cite in contempt Colonel Ibanez.
Exactly.
Para madala. Kasi,
Exactly.
alam mo, Colonel Ibanez at lahat kayong mga pulis na tiwali, I'll give you the dose of your own medicine. Pag yung mga pobreng kababayan natin, mahirap na kababayan, sa tingin nyo, konting salita na nagsisinungaling, kinukulong nyo na agad. Totoo yan, Mr. Chair.
I
Sa
agree.
experience ko,
I agree.
pag meron silang ini-interrogate na sa palagay nila ay involved sa crime na binibintang nila, kahit wala pang ebidensya, agad-agad kinukulong. Sabihin, sinungaling ka, kulong ka, may kasamang batok. Now, how about kung ipakita natin sa malilit nating kababayan na patas tayo dito sa Senado, kung kaya nila magpakulong ng pinaghinalaan ng suspect na nagsisinungaling, kaya din gawin natin yan sa kanila.
Yes, but before, Your Honor, before you make the necessary motion, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Go ahead, you can make the necessary motion. And I will,
Colonel?
yes.
Like I said, mataas po ang respeto ko sa mga colonel because my father was a colonel. And I know na hindi pwedeng hindi mo alam yung galawan ng mga bata mo. Kaya mo siya dinala sa PIDEG because he's good. Tama? But you're better. He's good, you're better. Kasi colonel ka, siya'y sarhento. Kasi kung mas magaling siya sa'yo, siya dapat ang colonel, ikaw dapat ang sarhento. Kaya ka naging colonel because you're better than him. So therefore, if you're better than this guy, hindi siya makakalusot sa'yo sa lahat ng mga ginagawa niya. Monitored mo siya. Nasa microscope siya mo. And now you're telling us you don't know. You don't know anything about his activities. And for me, that's a big, big lie. And nobody will believe you. Kahit siguro yung kindergarten, hindi maniniwala sa'yo. Totoo po yan. Sino maniniwala sa iyo na bata mo na nirekomenda mo makabuo ng 990 kilos on his own? Pero kanina, sinabi mo, pwede, possible na may kasama. Sabi mo, pating balyena. Tinanong ko kung sino yung pating balyena, ayaw mong sabihin. Hindi mo alam. Diba? Pero alam mo kung sino yung pating at balyena na nasa likod niya. Kaya lang, hindi mo lang aminin. So therefore, Police Lieutenant Colonel Arnulfo Ibanez, sir, you are lying and it hurts us dito sa committee na ito na magsisinungaling ka sa amin. Ayoko naman na lahat ng papatawag namin dito, gagaya sa iyo, puro sinungaling na lang. And that's the reason why I suggest to this committee, to our Honorable Chair, former Chief PNP, Senator Bato de la Rosa, now a Senator, is to cite you in contempt. Para ipakita sa taong bayan na hindi lang malilit na mga Pilipino ang pwedeng ipakulong. Dapat makatikim din makulong yung mga taong nagpapakulong sa mga inosente natin mga kababayan. Ilan na pong napakulong nyo, Colonel? Ano ko lang, matanong ko. Ilan na po yung nahuli nyo sa mga bypass operation?
Marami po, Your Honor.
Marami. Ilan po doon na naplantahan?
Hindi po ako nagpaplanta, Your Honor.
Kasi nga po, kaya nga sobrang dami, Mr. Chair, ng shabu, pwedeng ginagamit yung pamplanta. Saan sila kukuha ng pamplanta, Mr. Chair? Doon, yung sa savings na yon. Planting of evidence. Meron silang gustong ipitin, gusto nilang makulong. Ipipitas lang doon sa 90, kukuha lang silang 1 kilo doon, o paplanta doon. Planta rito, planta doon. Kaya ako'y naniniwala, Mr. Chair, marami mga nakakulong ngayon sa iba't ibang kulungan natin sa Pilipinas, mga inosente at biktima ng papaplanta. And ito na ebidensya. Ito na ebidensya. Nakaipon sila na pagkarami-raming shabu, ginagamit yung pamplanta recycling. Colonel, isang tanong na lamang po. Ilang taon na po kayo sa serbisyo?
25 years, Your Honor.
25 years. Mahabang panahon na ho kayo sa serbisyo, di ko ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, in that 25 years sa service, don't tell me hindi mo monitored yung gawain ng mga bata mo. Di ba SOP yan na dapat monitored nyo yung galaw ng mga bata ninyo? May tinatawag na command responsibility, tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So kung gagamitin natin yung salitang command responsibility, dapat ikaw ay maparusahan din. At yung parusa na yun, for now, umpisa natin sa for you to be cited in contempt. Command responsibility. Ba? Naniniwala ka, di ba, sa PNP? Narinig mo yung salitang command responsibility, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
So if you'll follow that principle of command responsibility, then meron kang responsibilidad with this guy, Mayo, and therefore, dapat ikaw ay makatanggap din ng parusa. Tama ba, Mr. Chair?
I agree with you, Your Honor. So, please make the motion now so that I can approve your motion to cite in
Yes.
contempt.
Yes, Mr. Chair, that's what I'm intending to do. I'll file a motion na cite in contempt, Colonel Ibanez. Ipakita po natin sa taong bayan, sa mga Pilipino lang, sa mga mahirap nating kababayan, na ang Senado ay patas. Na
Yeah.
hindi porket malaking isda ka, aamu-amuin ka na namin dito, ibibibihin ka namin. Walang baby rito sa Senado. Pantay-pantay, mahirap mayaman, mataas ka man o mababa, pantay-pantay yung turing namin. Therefore, kung nakapag-cite in contempt kami ng mga maliliit nating kababayan na nagsisinungaling, dapat yung mga malalaking kababayan din natin nagsinungaling, ang pwede nating cite in contempt.
Yeah. So
Be it a
there,
colonel or be it a janitor.
so there is a motion from Senator Tolfo to cite in contempt Police Lieutenant Colonel Arnolfo Ibanez. Any objection?
Your Honor, pinapangalawahan ko po ang cite of contempt, tsaka gusto ko rin pong mag-file ng motion ng contempt din kay Master Sergeant Rodolfo Mayo Jr.
Yeah.
So move, Mr. Chairman.
Yeah. Before placed on my table, first is the citing contempt of Arnolfo Ibanez. So I will decide this before I decide on the citing contempt of Sergeant Mayo. So there's a motion and it has been seconded by Senator Robin Hood Padilla. Any objection? There's no objection. So, Sergeant Police Lieutenant Colonel Arnolfo Ibanez is hereby cited in contempt before this committee. So ordered. Sergeant at Arms, mamaya na niyo kukunin pagkatapos ng investigasyon. Dito lang muna. He stays here, then afterwards, kulong niyo sa baba. And there's another motion from Senator Robin Hood Padilla to cite in contempt Police Master Sergeant Rodolfo Mayo. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Sergeant Rodolfo Mayo is hereby placed in contempt. So ordered. Sergeant at Arms, all you have to do, nakakulong mo ito ngayon, hindi tayo makipag-agawan ng physical custody niya with the BJMP dahil meron siyang kaso. I-monitor lang ninyo, kapag na-dismiss yung kanyang kaso at ito'y napawalang sala dahil due to technicality, alam kong i-exploit yan ng kanyang mga abogado, yung technicality sa kanyang pagka-aristo. Dahil dito nga, lumabas na yung mga kapalpakan ngayon na ginagawa ng PIDIG. Pag ito'y lumabas, coordinate nyo, BJMP. Kapag lumabas si Sergeant Mayo, please, huwag ninyong i-release kaagad. You call up General Angkan, our Sergeant at Arms sa Senado, para i-turn over yung custody sa kanya. As far as you are concerned, he is free as a bird. But as far as the Senate is concerned, his contempt order is still in effect. So we will have to take custody, physical custody over Sergeant Mayo. Sabihan mo yung boss mo sa BJMP na huwag niyong i-release yan kapag may order na yung korte na dismiss yung kaso. Call up Sergeant at Arms at kukunin namin yan. Okay? Thank you.
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
tutuwa si Mayo. Kasi sa BGMP, walang electric pa nga dito, aircon. O, di ba? Naka-aircon ka, Sergeant Mayo, tapos masarap ang pagkain dito.
Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin.
Chairman?
Yes, go ahead, Senator Pino Padilla.
Opo, gusto ko lamang pong sundan. Ginoong Tagapangulo, nais ko pong ipahayag ang aking motion na i-withdraw naman ang contempt citation ko kay Police Captain Jonathan Susongko sapagkat kahapon ay kasama natin siya. Nakita ko yung kanyang hindi naman kooperasyon, kung hindi nakita ko at naramdaman ko na nasa kanya pa rin ang pagiging pulis, Chairman. Maraming salamat po. I so move, Chairman.
Thank
Mr.
you.
Chair.
Yes, before I act on the motion,
Before acting on
Senator Jingo Estrada, you have
before
the
acting on the motion of Senator Robin Hood Padilla, may I know if Captain Susongko has already admitted or divulged the name of the informant?
Not yet, Your Honor. Kaya nga, I am inclined to advise Senator Robin Hood Padilla that
I object, Mr.
we will act on his motion later after we ask questions from Susongko.
He should, he
Senator
should-
Robin Hood Padilla?
He should reveal first the identity of the informant before you act the motion of Senator Robin Hood, because I will object to that.
Yes, I agree. I agree. And Senator Robin Hood Padilla is amenable to that. He agree with that. Yeah, he's very much agreeable with your comment, Senator Jingo Estrada. So,
As long as he reveals the true identity of the informant, if he does not want to reveal, he must be kept in jail.
yes, Susongko, you answered the question of Senator Jingo Estrada so that I can act on the motion of Senator Robin Hood Padilla. If I'm not satisfied, your contempt order stays.
Your Honor, as I have told yesterday that regarding dun sa circumstances no Your Honor, I think that the information regarding that is the information, sir, regarding the informant, sir, has already been, I have already told to the good senator, Your Honor, and
Oh, may sinabi ka sa akin. Sino ang sinabi mo sa akin? Ano pangalan?
wala po, Your Honor.
Oh, wala nga. So, walang informant.
None, Your Honor.
Okay, so walang informant.
So, Mr.
Inaamin
Chair-
mo na ngayon na niluloko mo lang kami noon na meron kang kausap pero there's no informant at all.
Yes, Your Honor.
Senator Jinggoy.
I object to the, I'm sorry. I object to the motion of Senator Robin Hood to lift the contempt order against Susongko.
Yeah, any comment?
If you
Senator?
cannot reveal the true identity of the informant, you will rot in jail, I'm telling you.
Yes, any comment, Senator Rufino Padilla? Are you amenable to that objection?
Wala, walang problema. Battle of the bigote ito eh.
Hindi pwede maging battle of the bald. Ako lang isa ang bald dito. Sige, go ahead, Senator Rufino.
Hindi, ano po, tama lang po siguro yun, Chairman, kung hindi pa po siguro matanggap pa ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada yung mga sagot ni Captain, at bilang ako po'y kasama kahapon at nakita natin, naramdaman natin yung kanyang pagkapulis pa rin. Basta standing lang po yung aking motion hanggang makumbinsi po natin si Senator Jinggoy. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Senator Rufino Padilla, for your understanding. Thank you very much. It is very clear that this committee is one in purpose, one in direction. Ang direction natin dito is to find out the truth. So thank you, Senator Robin Hood Padilla. So there was an objection. The motion was overruled. For the meantime, the motion of Robin Hood Padilla is overruled.
Abogado mo muna ako mamaya. Kausapin.
Thank you, Senator Robin Hood Padilla. Senator Tolpo?
Yeah, Mr. Chair, pwede ba natin obligahin yung PNP na from now on, kapag may ginagawang operation ng ating kapulisan, ay pasutin sila ng body cam?
That has been merong circular ang Supreme Court yan na kailangan meron silang body camera. In this case, bakit nga kayo walang body camera? Where's Ulunan? Domingo, bakit walang kayong body camera? Itong operasyon na ito.
I will seek with Ulunan, sir. Ang alam ko lang po is sa 17 regional offices namin, sir, is we only have one body cam each.
Isa lang?
Yes, Sir Honor.
Di ba meron ng procurement? Sabi ko noon, ang priority niyo yung bigyan dyan, yung anti-drug operatives ninyo, like PIDIG. Bakit? Will you answer this, Chief PNP, General Acorda? Saan na yung pinocure ninyo na kukunti? Kung kukunti man lang. Sabi ko, priority niyo yung anti-drug operations na lagyan.
Yes, sir. Originally, mga 41,000 yung request natin, but ang na-procure natin is more or less 2,000 plus. But because of there was no further subsequent purchase in the succeeding years, sir. Way back, medyo matagal na yung last procurement. But even in the absence of this body-worn camera, sir, may inaalawang Supreme Court na specifications using other devices to record yung operations, sir.
Like cellphone.
Yes, sir.
So in this case, General Domingo, may cellphones kayo na ginamit? During the operation?
Affirmative, Your Honor.
Affirmative. So saan yung recording yan?
I suppose it's with the court
With the court already?
or Colonel Ulunan.
Okay, thank you. Senator Tolpo, go ahead.
Kasi Mr. Chair, yung cellphone kayang i-manipulate yun eh. Kayang i-delete yun, kayang i-edit yun, maraming pwedeng gawin. Whereas dun sa body cam, hindi eh. So siguro kay General Acorda, sir, yung 2,000, sabi niyo po, ilan po?
2,696, Your Honor.
So dun sa 2,600, pwede ba i-alat natin yun sa mga operatiba na gumagawa ng anti-drug operations?
Yes, sir. Actually, it was equitably distributed to operating units and in the different regions and some of our national support units.
So let's make it a standard operating procedure, General, na hindi sila mag-ooperate ng anti-drugs pag wala ho silang suot na body cam. Lahat po ng operatiba from now on, hindi sila mag-ooperate pag wala silang suot na body cam, issued body cam by the PNP.
Actually, this is a requirement, Your Honor. And as a matter of fact, we are encouraging, there is a protocol there na pag kulang ang camera, we can borrow from other units. Ilalagin lang doon kasi these are all recorded kung saan magagamit po yung camera, Your Honor.
Well, dito sa nangyari, walang body cam, General. So, kapag halimbawa may operatiba na matigas pa ng ulo at hindi po nagsuot ng body cam sa kanilang ginawang bypass operation o raid, dapat po automatic may parusa.